So. Alright. I am the bonfire. Yeah! Back up again! Ha! I am the bonfire. I am the dopest motherfucker alive. You try to hate me because I'm the one that's trying to survive to make this money. It's nothing funny. Y'all niggas that think that y'all is dopest motherfucker. I'm right here and I'm back again, but this fun fin. I am the bomber, exploding niggas from top in. From every time, but you niggas just hate me for the things that I'm doing. How you gonna hate me if I'm gonna try? So I'm gonna try to be the dopest right here and try to express how I feel. This shit is real. Honestly, it's gonna get real. If you hate me, then go ahead, I don't blame you. Right here, cause I am really just hating people. You fucking think that. You think that this pussy is a breath full of people. I don't like pussy. I don't like drugs. I only want the fucking money. That's right, wrong. So right here, and I got the word in my pocket. Y'all niggas hate me for the things that I'm doing, but I'm spitting raw. I got the motherfucking guns right here. But no fuss on to you niggas that hating right there. So live in fear, but I'm right there. But you niggas think that I'm right there. So go ahead, just come at me right here. I'm right here, go ahead and step to me. Y'all niggas are faking, but y'all bitches booty shaking in the strip club. Well, y'all niggas stuff the strip club. I'm gonna be at the motherfucking studio right here, what? So if you're thinking that I'm right there, and you think I'ma leave the studio, I ain't gonna leave, motherfucker. So go ahead, try to come at me, bro. I'ma have the dopest lines and the dopest fucking rhymes. This is my shit. This is my motherfucking time. To make the money and be famous, right? That's my line. That's my goal. And niggas think that I'm doing this for what? But y'all really think that this is the shit right now? Well, y'all niggas post up on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter about sexual shit. I'm done. So y'all really niggas need to step the fuck up. Get the fucking mind right. So what's up now? Y'all trying to be a porn star? Great. I don't fucking care. Cause I'm the nigga right here just trying to rap this right there. I am the dopest nigga right here. But you hate me cause I'm right there. Y'all think that I'm just living in fear? I am not living in fear. I am united. This is my motherfucking state. This is where I live. This is where I'm from. This is my castle. Nobody can ever stop me. Cause I am the king of this castle. So go ahead. I trash you. So niggas come at me till they talking about shit like they ain't never trashed it. So everybody wanna hate me for the things that I'm doing. But if you really think that this is things that is funny, consuming, you y'all just really think that. I'm not saying that y'all really is the suckers, but y'all niggas really hate me for what? I am here. Y'all niggas think that I'm gonna live in fear. I don't care what you think I'm here. Like cause I'm just right here. Making these monies to niggas that hate me for the things I'm doing, just right there. You live in fear, who fucking cares? I'm just right here. You live in fucking fear cause you really think y'all right there. Wait till I hunt you, wait till I see you. Live in fear, nigga, go ahead and try to step to me right there. Jamel T. Williams back up in this. As you can see right there, there's my other camera. Back with the PlayStation 3, the tablet, phone, and this iPod. Well, I'm back up again, and, well, alright. Yeah. Back up again. Ha. I am the bonfire. I am the dopest motherfucker alive. You try to hate me because I'm the one that's trying to survive to make this money. It's nothing funny. Y'all niggas think that y'all is dopest motherfucker. I'm right here and I'm back again, but it's constant. I am the karma explorer, niggas for constant. From every time, but you niggas just hating with the things that I'm doing. How you gonna hit? So I'ma try to be the dopest right here and try to express how I feel. This shit is real. Honestly, it's gonna get real. If you hate me, then go ahead. I don't blame you. Right here. 'Cause I am. Well, that was the dope shit. And, well, I'm gonna leave out and I'm gonna see some people tonight. Alright, good night. I'll be back up in like 5 minutes.